summarizes the main plot of the story, which is that fire destroyed a house. It also provides the where of the story with the phrase on Main Street. Finally, it gives the when of the story with the phrase early Monday morning. Important note. There are some mental gymnastics involved in correctly conveying the when of a newspaper story. Suppose, for example, that today is Monday, and the fire happened this morning. You might be tempted to write the list like this. Fire destroyed the house on Main Street early this morning. And doing so would be just fine if your list were going to be published that same day. But most newspapers get printed overnight and distributed the following morning. That means that a reader who picks up the newspaper Tuesday morning and reads that the fire occurred this morning will inaccurately assume that this morning is Tuesday morning. To avoid this problem, you have to write the list and indeed the entire story so that it will be accurate when read during the reader's time frame. Fire destroyed a house on Main Street early Monday morning. Rule number 2. The lead first verb should express the main plot of the story and should be placed among the lead's first 7 words. Example. That's example. Fire destroyed the house on Main Street early Monday morning. The verb describes the story. Destroy.
Alam mo ba, iko-cart daw ni, iko-cart daw, ba, may nitidya na po, iko-cart daw ni,
The verb destroy
iko-cart daw, hindi, iko-cart daw ni Fred si Amelia.
expresses the main plot of the story. Destroyed is the least 7 words. Again, notice that the word shall includes even little words like a and on. And most readers probably will recognize his name. As a result, the lead gives his name. Rule number 5. The lead should summarize the why and how of the story, but only if there's room. Was destroyed, that it all happened early Monday morning, and that his house was a
Arby nagtatago.
But the artist's investigator's assertion that faulty wiring caused the blaze represents the investigator's opinion. Based, of course, upon his training and expertise, but an opinion. Therefore, the assertion needs to be attributed to the investigator so readers can decide how credible the assertion is. The body. For you to produce a smooth, final story, the lead and the body must coincide. The body is the detailed portion of a news story that develops and explains the facts outlined in the news. Here again, the importance of neat cannot be overemphasized. To some extent of the organization of the body is dictated by the material itself. It is a series of events, for instance. So the writer has to write an orderly, well-organized story and at the same time keep in in mind the relative importance of various details. Example of the statement story. The summary is this. A Navy officer who had never before taken control of an aircraft brought an Air Force spotter plane in for a rough but successful landing recently. Second paragraph. Paragraph.